Hello, what's up you guys? My name is Yaz Musician. This class is now in session. Before we start the tutorial, I want to let you know the ways you can sponsor me are buy my merch on TeePublic, Redbubble, or Zazzle, which is a new store I've got up. Another way you can support me is donating money using Brave or Patreon, or looking at my images and videos on Adobe. The links will be in the description below.
And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Now, let's continue on to the video.
So, I have done a very cool video at the moment where you can actually create illustrations not using any Adobe programs. Yes, it is very controversial on the design industry. As you know, I'm a graphic designer. Oh, now you do know. And it's a big deal for me to even show you this. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
As you can see on the screen, I have I Love Stuff. This is where you can download the auto-generated program or HTML to create the low poly portrait. So you download it and open it onto your browser of your choice. I recommend you don't use Firefox because it's a bit slow, as you can see later on in the video. So now, once you've done that, I would look up cool portraits to get the ideal portrait. I found a really lot of cool portraits, as you can see here, scrolling down. I really like the girl with the sunglasses. As you can see, I really love sunglasses and I love the feel and look of the portrait that the photographer has captured in the photo. So now you're going to save that into your downloads, and then once you have downloaded the item, you will drag or place the image into I Love Stuff. And once it's uploaded, I will go over the steps into how to make the portrait. Now that the portrait is now in I Love Stuff, click on Add 25 Verticals to fill the screen with the shapes. As you keep doing this, it will fill out the screen. You can also play with the opacity, which is the eye tool on the top, moving left to right to see how much of the image and to help you in guiding how many points you need to put in each vertical to create the look that you want. You can do very detailed or very undetailed, as you can see later on in the video. As you continue on, after the verticals have been done, once you've done that, you can define the area. So you can click to make the shapes, as you can see here. You can make it as detailed as you want, and if you continue and continue, the more detailed the portrait will be. So I'm going to show you the process. Once you're happy with it, you can save it onto your computer. As you notice, it's an SVG file. Double click on it, and if you have Illustrator, you can add and refine the gradients and make it more detailed if you want to. But for those who do not have any Adobe programs or any experience, you can still, as a watermark. Those who do not know how to use Adobe programs can use it for their desktop screens, or they can sell the image, or they can just use it for a project. So this is an easy tutorial for those who do not have the skills in that set. For those who have design skills, it just makes the process a bit quicker, and then you can refine it in Illustrator, or you can use it in Photoshop and then change the coloring that way. But this is just to save time as opposed to doing every single triangle in Illustrator or Photoshop, whatever is your preference if you're a designer. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this is very helpful, and I helped a developer of a program in the process. Check them out, check the website out. There's plenty of cool stuff on that website with tutorials or even just artists you can discover. So the links will be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, can you please subscribe if you're very happy with the video. If you want to support me, you can use any of the things I mentioned at the start of the video, which is on Zazzle, TeePublic, Redbubble, Patreon, Brave, Adobe. You can. If not, thank you for watching the video. If you want to share, like, or subscribe, you can. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, be different, be unique, be your own pen, and I'll see you guys in the next video.